Hey guys, my name is Allison Swift and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a everyday soft makeup look that's not too hard, but basically what I wear like every day, and it's really easy to do. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna post an ASMR video tomorrow, and I also do ASMR videos. Sometimes maybe I'm gonna do a story time video, but mainly I do makeup videos. But all in all, this channel is just what I want to do. I started off with this NYX Pore Filler Primer, and also went in with this other one that I don't know primer as well, and I let it sit on my skin, and now it's dried down and I'm ready to start and go in with foundation. So for foundation today, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty one in the shade 150. As you can see, this foundation is mattifying really quickly. You barely need any setting powder for this. Only if you're gonna crease on your smile lines, that's where you're gonna need some setting powder. But other than that, this foundation is pretty good. Just put it on and go. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer. It's really good if you want to go for a natural look. For full coverage, maybe like a full glam, but for this kind of look, perfect. So I'm just putting some concealer, as you can see, just to brighten up my face a little bit more. And you don't need too much, unless you have big dark circles. Then add a second layer. Now I'm gonna go on my chin, cupid's bow, nose, and forehead, and blend it out. I don't know if you guys, when you do your makeup, you consider this a lot or full face or like full glam. This is not full glam for me, honestly. If I were to do a full glam look, like something that's gonna stay on and cover everything, I would go for a full coverage foundation, which would be probably the ColourPop foundation, the newest one that came out. I mean, I think that's the only one actually. Okay, now that I blended everything out to perfection, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It powder. And this is okay for an everyday look, not full glam. Honestly, I ran out of my ColourPop setting powder, so this one I guess is gonna be alright. I mean, it's gonna be alright. But if you're planning on taking a lot of photos, it's gonna give you flashbacks, just so you know. I'm gonna put a little bit more on my smile lines because I crease a lot there. I just want to reduce it. Okay, now we're gonna move on to brows. I'm gonna use this Wycon brow liner pencil and just line my brows. And later I'll show you how I'm gonna reduce the blackness of it, because it's gonna get pretty intense. Yeah, this one is good. So later on I'm gonna set my brows with translucent powder to make them more light and look more natural. So I'm just gonna repeat this process on my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've finished my brows, I'm just gonna go into my translucent setting powder and I'm gonna set my brows. I'm gonna set them good so that they can be lighter and also stay longer. So now that I set my brows, I'm just gonna go with my powder brush and remove all the powder and then continue with contouring. I'm gonna use this ColourPop contouring palette. Looks like this. It's really nice. It's really good. I advise everyone to buy this because it looks so natural, honestly. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush like this one to get in my fucking creases so that way I can sculpt my face pretty well. Okay, now that I finished contouring, I'm gonna just contour my nose quickly. Nothing too much since this is an everyday look. Honestly, you don't even have to contour your nose. It's just that I'm a perfectionist and I like my nose to be more slimmer. So I'm just gonna go just a little bit in. And then I'm just gonna bring the shadow, because when you're doing contouring your nose, you're creating shadows to make an illusion that your nose is like slimmer. So I'm just gonna bring the shadow, aka the contour, down here and blend it out. And if I was doing a full glam, like a full coverage look, I would add a much more than I am right now. Okay, now that I finished this, I'm gonna go in with some blush. Cause I feel like when I'm doing the all natural look, I wanna have those nice rosy cheeks and add some color to my skin. So I'm gonna go first with a peach, blush. This is by Makeup Revolution. It's really cheap. It's okay. Just adding some color, you know. I don't want to look too pale. And oh, this is broken, but it's really good as well. I'm gonna go in with a rosy color just to give myself some color. Now, I'm gonna remove this and blend all of this out with my powder brush. There's still powder in here, so it's gonna reduce if you like overput too much of this blushes. So it's just gonna make it seamless and natural. Now it's time for highlights. First, with highlight, I'm gonna use this kind of brush to go in my cheeks, and later on I'm gonna get a smaller brush for my nose, Cupid's bow, and yeah. So this is my Makeup Revolution Pro palette. With highlights, I'm gonna use this one and this one combined to give myself that extra glow, to look more natural. You know, just more natural and glowing. You can never go wrong with highlights. And I'm gonna bring the highlight all the way, like, here. Cause you know when you're like out in public and you're like when you start sweating, you're gonna be oily here and here. So highlight is basically there to give you that illusion of, you know, being oily, but in the right spots. And now I'm going in with this peachy highlight, and I'm gonna go over it here. First I did the gold one, now I'm doing the peachy one. And I'm gonna repeat it on this cheek, and forehead, and there. I'm gonna go in a little bit on my cheek, I'm gonna go in a little bit on my chin with the gold one. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. And the forehead. So I'm gonna do the forehead as much as possible because I want it to look hydrated, you know? Now getting a smaller brush, I'm gonna go in on my nose and Cupid's bow. Now that we have the face done, let's come back to the brows and let's just take off the powder that we put on them in the beginning. I'm gonna get my brow pen and with this brush, just gonna go over them and add the brow gel, which is gonna get the brows to look natural. Now, I'm gonna take this Essence brow gel. It's really good, honestly. Like, yeah, it's very cheap and it's from the drugstore, but it's really good, actually. Not even joking. So my technique is go in like this first here and coat them. Coat the first brow, the beginning of your brow, in upward motion. So that way you're gonna get them to go up. But these ones, pull them back. See? And the brow pencil you put on, it's there, but it's less visible, so it's so natural. And it looks filled in and nice. Let's do the other one. Okay, we have our brows done, face done. What's left is mascara and lipstick. So let's just do mascara quickly. Just you wanna get your lashes to stick up and up. And the lipstick that I'm gonna use is this ColourPop lipstick in the shade Gallop, I don't know, Gallop. This color. It's really nice, brown. I love it. Also, very big fan of the brand ColourPop. They have very good products for a cheap price. So I'm just gonna apply it and gonna do my lashes off camera. Just the bottom ones and the normal ones. And I'm gonna be right back. And finally, now the lips are done, I'm gonna do my lashes. First I'm gonna curl them up, and then I'm gonna put the mascara, and that's it. Just gonna go in with some setting spray. I'm gonna use this Aura Fix Me setting spray, because that's the only one I have. I used all of my Makeup Revolution ones, so this is basically the only one I have right now. But it's okay, it's good, it's okay. So I straightened my eyelashes up off camera, and now I'm gonna apply mascara, and that's basically it. So how I apply my mascara is first I go from the tips of my eyelashes, because my eyelashes fall down every time I put mascara on them. So I let the mascara dry down as I'm going up. That way my lashes are gonna stick up, because I'm putting pressure and more product. And the next eye, I'm gonna do off camera, and I'll be right back. So, I added some mascara, which was the Glossal Big Shot, and also I added some setting spray to set this face up. Well, anyways, this is a look for everyday. Nothing too major, it's really casual, and honestly, I live for this look. You can also do a pink lip or a nude lip. It's really gonna look very nice. And you can also add some quick eyeshadow, like a brown one, to like maybe give your eyes some depth, and maybe add some glitters. You can really experiment, honestly. It doesn't have to be perfect. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna post a new video, which is gonna be an ASMR one, tomorrow or in a couple of days. Please subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!